Ever tried transferring money directly from your Apple Pay to your Octopus Card and ended up scratching your head in confusion? Here's the truth: you can't directly transfer funds from Apple Pay to a physical Octopus Card. It's just not how the system is designed to work. However, don't lose all hope. In some regions, you can use Apple Pay to add value to certain types of Octopus Cards through the Octopus app. Let me show you how, step by step, assuming this feature is available where you are. First, open your Octopus app, look for the Add Value button. It's usually prominently displayed on the main screen. Tap it. Next, you'll see a list of payment options. If Apple Pay is available in your region and enabled on your device, it should be listed as a payment method. Select Apple Pay. Now, your iPhone or Apple Watch will prompt you for authentication using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Just like any other Apple Pay transaction, complete the authentication process. Once authenticated, the value will be added to your Octopus Card. The Octopus app should display a confirmation message showing the successful top-out and your new card balance, and that's it. Remember, this method only works within the Octopus app and if Apple Pay is an accepted payment method within that app in your area. So, while you can't directly transfer from Apple Pay to Octopus, this is the next best thing. Hopefully this helps clear things up.